Welcome to this tech news update on this Windows and Computer channel. We are Tuesday, October 2nd, 2018, and today in our tech news update, we have Amazon that was criticized for, of course, having bad type of jobs, bad work conditions and low salaries. Well, it now announced that starting November 1st, every employee will be paid a minimum of $15 an hour. So this is, of course, good news for all of the Amazon employees for a nice pay raise. And, of course, that will probably impact the price of everything we buy, but you know what? I think it's a cool idea. Google is now actually looking at a streaming service for gameplay that is actually very, very close to being official. If you want to play AC Odyssey, for example, but your PC is not powerful enough, you'll be able to actually do so, as it partnered with Ubisoft, and Ubisoft will, of course, be helping Google with its streaming of gameplay that you might play soon. It will work only on Google Chrome, apparently. It's going to be interesting to see how this goes. The General Data Protection Regulation is having its first test, as Facebook, of course, has been breached. Well, it might actually end up getting fined $1.6 billion for what happened, because that new GDPR law is just there to prevent that type of problem. Well, today at 4 p.m., Microsoft will have its event, A Moment of Your Time. It's going to be interesting. It's calling on all insiders to be there also, which is kind of interesting. And we know it's a Surface event, but what other surprises could there be? We pretty much think that Windows 10 will be launched today for what we call seekers, and possibly next Tuesday officially for everybody else. So it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen. I'll be watching the event, and after it, I will actually resume the event on a video here. So if you want to know a little more, just look at my videos later today. Minecraft is still the king of online games. It now has 91 million monthly active users. But in the same time, where a lot of people were saying, hey, maybe we're going to have a new version or something, Microsoft did say that there's no plans right now for a Minecraft 2. Well, the numbers are bad. Latest numbers are showing that Microsoft browsers, Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge, are really not very popular. Actually, Internet Explorer is below 10% for the first time ever, and Microsoft Edge is barely used. Both together are actually at 14%, which brings us to what can Microsoft do to change things. Facebook, we're more than 3 days now after they have revealed that all the details of the security breach using the access tokens for login. But we start to understand that if you used that login with third-party apps, such as, for example, Spotify, maybe the bad guys had access to all of your third-party apps also. So it's getting, we're waiting for more information on this, because it's getting scarier by the minute what exactly happened here, as Facebook will probably give us more details in the next few days and weeks. Well, nearly half of job seekers say that if the human factor is removed from the job market, they might have a better chance to get a job. Many say that there is some form of discrimination they suffered when getting a job interview, and that by using AI instead, you might actually just have a much better chance at having your skills looked at and basically becoming or getting that new job. In order to prevent any influence in the midterm elections in the US, Twitter has announced that it is scanning and actually cracking down on any accounts that might be attempting to influence elections. So, of course, this is following a lot of criticism from the last elections, where a lot of things went wrong at Twitter and also at Facebook. And this was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, October 2nd, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.